Russia began supplying S-400 missile system in India. So the highlights are that the deliveries of S-400 medium to long-range anti-aircraft missiles system to India have begun from Russia ahead of the schedule. At the Dubai Air Show 2021, Alexander Mikheyev, head of the state arms seller, he informed that Russia has trained Indian specialists to operate the S-400 systems. He added that Russia has also trained the Indian specialists who will operate the 1st Regiment. The Indian specialists have received the training and have returned home too. The chief executive stated that by the start of this year, the 1st Regiment set of S-400 surface-to-air missile systems will be delivered to India. He further added that by the end of 2021, all the materials of the 1st Regiment set will be delivered. So despite of a lot of objections from the US and threat of the sanctions under countering America's adversaries through Sanctions Act, India signed a $5.43 billion deal with Russia for the S-400 Triumph missile system. Talking about S-400 missile system in India, the S-400 Triumph is a mobile surface-to-air missile system designed by the Russia. It is one of the most dangerous operational deployed modern long-range SAM in the world, considered much ahead of US-developed terminal high-altitude area defense system. The system can engage all types of aerial targets including aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAV, and ballistic and cruise missiles within the range of 400 km at an altitude of up to 30 km. The system can track 100 airborne targets and engage 6 of them simultaneously. It is bought by total 5 countries including India, which are China, Turkey, Belarus, and Saudi Arabia.